Hi guys, this is 𝗦𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪. So we're currently here in 357 Boracay. So this is a beach resort here in Station 3 of Boracay's White Beach. So let's take a room tour of our ocean view room here in 357 Boracay. Okay. So our room is 𝗦𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪�ึ Okay, so as what you can see, we have a queen size bed here. Okay, there are the towels, bath towels. And the bed is comfortable, as well as the pillows. So the room comes with an LCD TV with cable TV channels, and it has a work area here, and it's of course air conditioned. Okay, so again, this is an ocean view room here in 357 Boracay. There's a side table with lamps. Okay, I personally love the design on the walls. Okay, so the room also comes with a luggage compartment here and gigantic cabinets. So let's check out the cabinet. There are hangers in here. Okay, so let's now check out the toilet and bath here in our room. So it's very clean. Okay, toilet and bath comes with hot and cold shower. And it also comes with basic toiletries such as soap and shampoo. Okay. Okay, so here's the bed, the queen size bed. And the room also comes with a cozy chair. By the way, there's Jen. Okay, since our room, not our view. By the way, before we go outside, so our room also comes with a refrigerator. Okay, so since our room is an ocean view room, it comes with a private veranda, which is very spacious. So there are only 2 ocean view rooms here in 357. There's the other one. Okay, and here's ours. Okay, so here's the view from our room here in 357 Boracay. So the veranda here is a perfect place to witness the famous Boracay sunset. So I guess it's 3 p.m. and we'll just stay here later to witness the Boracay sunset. Okay, so here's the veranda. In our room here in 357 Boracay. Okay? Okay, you can book a room here in 357 Boracay via Agoda. Okay, so if you book via Agoda, just visit the link in the description box below, and I'm giving you a huge discount on your 357 room here in Station 3 of Boracay's White Beach. Okay, if there's no available room via Agoda, you can directly book with them. So I'll just put the contact number of 357 Boracay in the description box below. Just feel free to call or email them, and they will provide you with the rates here in 357 Boracay. So again, this is One Arm Wanderer. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.